Hello everyone. Look at the question number 37. The lighthouse AB of height 10 root 3 meter stands vertically on a seashore. A tower CE and a ship F are standing 30 meter and 10 meter away from the foot of the lighthouse respectively. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the top of the lighthouse is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower AE. Also find the angle of depression formed from the top of the lighthouse to the ship. So see the diagram. Here the height of the lighthouse is 10 root 3. Okay. So this is AB. And the distance between the foot of the lighthouse to foot of the tower. So this is BC is equal to 30 meters. Okay. So the distance between the foot of the lighthouse to the ship. This is equal to BF. So this BF is 10 meter. Height of the tower is equal to C. So height of the tower in ಹೇಳಿ C. So ಇದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ angle of depression. So this is equal to theta. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower AE ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? In a triangle ADE, in a triangle ADE, tan 30 degree is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ opposite by adjacent. So here opposite side is DE divided by AD alva. So tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to DE divided by here AD is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ BC ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AD ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ BC ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ BC is 30 meter. ಸೊ AD ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 30 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ BC is equal to AD. This is equal to 30 meter. So divided by adjacent side is AD. So this is 30 meter. So DE is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30 divided by root 3. Okay, so DE is equal to, so ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 ones are 3 tens are. So this is equal to 10 root 3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ DE ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ C ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ height of the tower. So height of the tower is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ CE. So this is equal to DE plus CD alva. So here DE is 10 root 3 plus CD is equal to AB alva. So here AB is 10 root 3 meter. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ CD ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 root 3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3 is 20 root 3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the height of the tower. Okay. So now consider in a triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, cos 30 degree is equal to, so ನಮಗೆ AE ಬೇಕು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ cos 30 degree is equal to cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So here adjacent is AD divided by hypotenuse is AE. So cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. So this is equal to AD is equal to BC. So BC length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 30 meter ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 30 divided by AE. So simplify this. So AE is equal to 30 into 2 is 60 divided by root 3. So again, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ AE is equal to so 60 root 3 divided by 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 ones are 3 20s. So AE is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ 20 root 3 meter. So therefore the distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower AE is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 20 root 3 meter ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay. So next angle of depression ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle of depression that is angle DAF is equal to ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ angle AFP. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ DAF is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ AFP ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AD ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು BC ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ A ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ B ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABF, so tan theta is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ AB divided by BE. So AB divided by BF, that is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here tan theta is equal to, here AB is 10 root 3 meter divided by BF is 10. So tan theta is equal to 10 cancels. This is equal to root 3. So theta 60 degree ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan theta root 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay. So therefore angle of depression theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Thank you.